Have you ever thought how these fresh choice cream bun covers are made? Yes, even I too had the same doubt. So let me clarify your doubts today. This is a small scale industry in Visakhapatnam where these covers are made. The journey of our covers is through 3 stations: filming station, printing station and the cutting station. So let us directly check in into the first station. This is the raw material used to make these covers. These are in the form of small granules. The name of this material is polypropylene, which is imported from the company Gale. This raw material is poured into a sump from which it is sucked by a pump fitted to an electric motor at the top of this machine. The pump delivers the material from sump to the hopper. From there, the polypropylene passes through a heating zone which consists of 4 heaters which melts the polypropylene to a liquid form. Then this liquid polypropylene passes through a blow moulding chamber which consists of a cylindrical die through which air is blown continuously. When this liquid polypropylene passes through the die, it is blown by the air to form a thin cylindrical film. A coolant is passed over the film to cool it. The thickness of this film is about 0.25 to 0.28 microns. This is how the raw material is made into a film in the first station. This film passes over some set of rollers. Finally, it is slowly rolled to form a big roll. These rolls are sent into the second station where printing is done. This is the second station. The film roll from the first station is fixed into a shaft of this machine and is fastened from both the ends. This shaft rotates, which unrolls the film roll. The film passes through some set of rollers to reach the printing zone. This is a color palette through which the film is passed for printing a particular color. These are the color palettes in which the colors are mixed in a perfect proportion and those are sent to the printing zone. The palette is fixed in its position and is stirred continuously by a worker. Our film passes through a number of palettes depending on printing preferences. First, it passes through a white color, again through a white color which acts as a base coat, then through the green color, then yellow color, and finally through the blue color. The order of these colors depends on our preferences. This printed film passes through a heating chamber which helps the color to stick firmly to the film. The printed film is passed through some set of rollers which is rolled into a huge roll of printed film which is then sent to the final station, which is our cutting station. In this station, the printed roll is fixed into a shaft which is unrolled and is passed through some rollers. By using this device, we can adjust the speed of the rollers, the heat supplied to the heater of the pressing unit and the unwinder speed. This is a sensor which senses a particular color and sends the film to a pressing unit where the end of the film is pressed. Finally, the film is sent into a cutting unit which consists of a blade. where it is cut into the exact dimension. A worker inspects the covers thoroughly for some defects. So this is how all these covers are made and are packed into many lots. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos.